Okay, this is activity 12 from Magic Electricity and it's titled Electric Attractions. The fundamental concept here is anytime you have electricity or current flowing through a conductor, a magnetic field is generated or a magnetic field is present. And so that's the connection between electricity and magnetism is anytime there's current flowing through a conductor, you generate a magnetic field. And to demonstrate this in this activity, we're going to build what's called an electromagnet. You're also going to incorporate or use the switch that you built in activity 4, the cardboard switch with a paper clip. The activity also has a table, or it's asking you to perform some experiments to determine what affects the magnetic field strength. And the primary experiment they have you conducting is changing the number of wire turns, which you'll see here in just a minute, that you turns that are on the nail that's been used to concentrate this magnetic field so we can use it as a magnet to pick up things, pick up items that contain metal items. So anyway, they have a table, a number of experiments, and you're going to vary the number of turns on the wire, which you'll see here in just a second. But there's other experiments you can do on your own. You could change the nail size. You could change the voltage. As you'll see here in a minute, we're going to use 2 D-cell batteries, and we're going to have them wired in series, which means we're going to add their voltages. But you could take one out, or you could add another one if you had if you could add 3. Something to change the voltage is the main point. So you can do those other experiments on your own, and the book talks about that. And I will deviate a little bit as we start building this circuit. I'm going to primarily use alligator clips. But the other question is, what's the advantage of making an electromagnet? Well, as you'll see here in just a minute, you can turn it on and off.